Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn to save Spotlight desktop and lock screen pictures in Windows 11. To save the Spotlight desktop and lock screen pictures in Windows 11, open the Run command box using Windows plus or hotkey. In the Run box, copy and paste the following path, then hit the Enter key on the keyboard to open the folder that contains all Spotlight collection images. %local app data, %packages /Microsoft, Windows, .content delivery manager _CW5N1H2 /SIWI /local state /assets. Note, you can copy the path from this video description. Then, copy all the contents of the folder into a new folder. Now, open that folder and rename the files one by one. You need to add .jpg or .png at the end of the current file name and then hit the Enter key to save it. That's it. Now, you can open those images using any image viewer software. Bye.